Lower body rolling. This is an awesome one for rotary stability corrections to make sure our soft core is firing the way we want it to. So let's start out. Let's go ahead, raise the arms overhead. We're lying supine on the floor. We're going to go ahead and roll. I want you to roll to your left. So I want you to raise the right leg up just a little bit. You're not going to let it flop and pull you over. Now I want you to reach, reach, reach. He's keeping his upper body paralyzed, and he's just using that right leg to pull the body over, so he's now in the prone position. So that's going to be our back to belly or supine to prone. Now we're going to do the exact same thing coming back. Now let's go ahead, raise that right leg and reach, reach, reach. Again, the upper body is paralyzed, and we just want to watch the body just roll, 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 and take the upper body over. So we're only using lower body through the lower body rolls, and then whenever we get to the upper body, it's going to be the exact opposite. So those are the two we're going to look for. We want to check both right side, left side, and see if we have any difference between the two rolls. A lot of the times, Steve may do great with this one. However, if he would roll towards me, we might see him struggle with that. We want to make sure both sides are symmetrical and he's able to control both sides. So that's our lower body roll.